on Triad today. Time to talk with a couple of guys who are real community servants. I don't mean to embarrass them, but these guys do a lot for the community, and we're so proud to have them with us from time to time. On my immediate right, David Daggett and his partner, Griff Shuler, behind him, both from Daggett, Shuler, attorneys at law. Welcome, guys.
Hey, thanks, Jim.
Let's talk about something that we've covered before, but let's do it in a little bit different way. First of all, David, originally you had the Safe Sober Prom Night program.
Yes.
Now, when did that start, and what was the original purpose?
So that started in 1990, 32 years ago. The purpose is basically threefold: awareness of the dangers of drugs and alcohol, creating an atmosphere of positive peer pressure, and getting our community to wrap their collective arms of support and encouragement around our young people.
And a lot of the folks, it was very successful and continues to be successful. Only, Griff, you guys have, I guess since last year, sort of expanded the program. It's now safesober.com. What do you mean by expanding?
Well, Jim, the Safe Sober Prom Night program has always been more than just about proms. It's been a program that's been focused on youth, and in particular, making sure that youth make the right choice. And so
year round.
Year round, and obviously during COVID, schools weren't having proms, and David and I thought that this was the perfect time to kind of pivot, expand the Safe Sober program so that it's more enjoyed throughout the whole year. So that there are other events, obviously, where we can focus in on students making the right choice.
Right. I'm going to get to a special event coming up in just a minute, but before we do that, David, I understand you're partnering with the YMCA on something. What is that all about?
So as part of the Safe Sober program, we're partnering with the Ys in the Triad area to get shirts to different groups there. Research shows that these drugs and alcohol issues are starting younger and younger, so we can start hitting middle school age kids, and the Y programs with their after school programs and sports activities and those sort of things is a perfect outlet and a way to positively influence young people, and it goes along very well with the Y's mission.
And over the years, both as the prom night thing specifically, and now that you've expanded it, Griff, you guys have had a lot of good positive feedback. What kind, like from students, parents, teachers, principals, right?
Well, the impact on the youth has been huge, and what David and I have always heard is that people really appreciate getting out and making sure that the young people know to make the right choice.
Right.
And that's been a real focus. And obviously, we're really excited this year about being able to have a big event to celebrate that.
Tell us about this thing, because you sent me an email one day that says it has something to do with baseball, and I'm trying to figure this out.
So April 9th, the first Saturday night game at the Dash Stadium this year is Safe Sober Night at the ballpark.
Wow.
The Dash has come together with us. It's going to be fabulous. For one of the very, very few times in Major League Baseball history, the team is going to be wearing Safe Sober uniforms.
Get out of here.
Long story, but you had to get permission from home office of Major League Baseball for them to do that. It's a fireworks night. The Dash Stadium upstairs hosts a lot of proms.
Right.
So they're also going to make the Safe Sober message big for all the proms they host there. And we're just going to come out of the box with a spectacular evening on April 9th at the Dash Stadium.
And T-shirts everywhere, huh?
Yes. Yeah. Free T-shirts for anybody that comes that night.
Golly, fireworks, and the teams themselves are going to wear
They're wearing Safe Sober uniforms.
And what's the date again?
That is April 9th. I think the game's at 6 o'clock that night. It's an earlier game. Griff and I will be wearing the team jerseys also, and we got some surprises for you. We might be running.
I think somebody might be throwing out the first pitch.
Okay.
Got to start warming up that arm.
All right, let me throw this pitch out to you. For more information, you can visit safesober.com. And these sort of intertwine themselves, but if you need help on a different level and need to talk with some of the guys at Daggett Shuler, their basic website is daggettshulerlaw.com, or you can call 724-1234. Guys, that's exciting about April 9th.
Join us at the ballpark.
We're very excited about it. It's going to be great.
That's right. David might do something. We don't know what that is. Well, are you going to stay with us for the roundtable?
Sure. Thank you.
We'll be right back after this.
You know, it's hard to believe the Safe Sober program has been going strong for over 30 years.
And over 600,000 students have made the pledge to stay safe and sober on prom night. You know, Griff, it's had a huge impact on our community.
Yeah, you're right, David. And now we're making sure the message continues year-round.
So everyone can join us in supporting our students.
Learn more and take the pledge at safesober.com, sponsored by Daggett Shuler.